Apply silicone on paper tape. You will get much cleaner lines. Much easier to mix and apply plaster in a plastic bag. Lint remains when painting with a new roller. You can get rid of excess lint by taping the roller. Apply Vaseline to places you do not want to be painted, and the paint will come off easily. While painting the ceiling, paint does not flow on your hands thanks to a plastic cover. You can use it to peel off the remaining paint by bending the metal piece. Make the brush smaller with tape when painting narrow areas.